Hello everyone! Start off by taking some brown frosting and then put it all over the side of a cake. Then take a flat object and then flatten it all around, add multiple lines to it using any sort of stick. At the top, using some more cake, make a house-like shape out of it. Use brown and white frosting in order to surround it. Add a little chimney to it as well, add a tree on the side as well as a snowman. Next, take a cake and then cut out one of the sides, and then as for the other, curve it up ever so slightly. Use the scissors in order to shape it exactly as you please. Use some red frosting and then line it all around. Flatten it and smoothen it as you please as such. Then right along the bottom, begin to add multiple squiggly lines to it. Then on the other end of it, add white frosting to it as such. Add multiple layers of this and then add snowflakes to the top to make it look like a snow glove. Next, take a blue cake and then at the top of it, add marshmallows to it. Then add some little bit of white frosting on either side of it. Add two eyes and a small cute little smile to it as well, and then taking some brown frosting, add hands and legs to it. Add a little nose and then begin to add decorations all around such as little white dots. Next, take your ovular cake and then surround it with some white frosting. Then taking some cream frosting, add swirls at the bottom and then using your flattening object, lift it upwards and push it up. Do this until you reach the top, and then once you reach the top, add a little bow to it to make it look all the more better. Now for our next decorative cake, we'll start off by taking a green cake that is light in color. Then begin to make the decorations in the front to make it look like shells. Add a little Christmas tree to it as well as a little pond. Line it with some grass and then add decorations to it. Next, start off by taking out a cake that is green and then at the top of it, add white decorations to it as such. At the bottom, add little bulbous proportions. Then at the top of this, add strawberries to it as such. Add Santa to it to make it look all the more better. Next, take a cake and then cut out the center portion of it. Then take the dress and then cut out the rest of it as well. Take the frosting and then line the entire cake with it accordingly. Once you are done smoothing it, move on to the top and then add tomato ketchup to the top of it as such. You may also add little grass on the sides once you are done with the strawberry to make it look all the more better. Do this until they reach the top to make it look like a little plant. Now insert the cake into place. This is what it should look like. Thank you for watching.